Conducting a proper site analysis is an important step in various fields such as architecture, urban planning, and environmental assessment. It helps you understand the site's characteristics, constraints, and opportunities before initiating a project. Here are some key steps to conduct a proper site analysis. Gather information. Collect all available information about the site, including maps, surveys, historical data, and any relevant documentation. This information can provide insights into the site's history, topography, previous land use, utilities, and legal restrictions. Visit the site. Physically visit the site to observe and document its current conditions. Take photographs, make sketches, and notes. Pay attention to the site's surroundings, climate, vegetation, views, and any unique features. Analyze site context. Understand the site's context by examining its relationship with neighboring buildings, infrastructure, and natural elements. Assess the impact of adjacent properties on your project and identify any potential opportunities or constraints. Evaluate topography. Study the site's topography, including slopes, elevation changes, and water drainage patterns. This information is crucial for designing structures, determining access points, and addressing potential drainage issues. Assess vegetation and natural features. Identify and document existing vegetation, trees, and natural features on the site. Consider their ecological value, aesthetic appeal, and any potential impact on your project. Determine if any vegetation removal or preservation is necessary. Review utilities and infrastructure. Identify the location and condition of existing utilities, such as water supply, sewage systems, electrical lines, and telecommunication networks. Evaluate their capacity and assess any limitations they might pose to your project. Consider environmental factors. Evaluate any environmental factors that could influence your project, such as air quality, noise levels, soil composition, and potential environmental hazards. This assessment may involve consulting with environmental experts and referring to relevant studies or reports. Understand regulatory requirements. Familiarize yourself with local zoning regulations, building codes, and any other legal restrictions that apply to your project. Determine if there are any specific design or construction requirements you need to consider. Identify stakeholders and community considerations. Identify the stakeholders who may be impacted by your project, such as local residents, businesses, or community organizations. Engage with them to gather input, address concerns, and ensure your project aligns with community needs and aspirations. Document and analyze findings. Compile all the collected data, photographs, sketches, and notes into a comprehensive site analysis report. Analyze the findings to identify key opportunities, constraints, and design considerations that will inform the subsequent stages of your project. Remember, a proper site analysis requires attention to detail and a multidisciplinary approach. Consider consulting with professionals in relevant fields, such as architects, engineers, urban planners, and environmental experts, to ensure a comprehensive and accurate assessment of the site.